So, what do you do when you have excess solar power? So, that's a big question a lot of people are asking because it is summertime. We're usually at peak as far as our solar output. There's different ways that you can use that power. If you're connected to the grid, you could sell it back to the electric company. If you are not, if you're off grid like me, and I do have a grid connection for backup, but if you're off grid, it's going to dump loads. And there's different ways to do it. Some people, they'll use a hot water heater tank. Other people will use running your pool pumps, or it could be running a hot tub, pretty much doing all that right now and still have extra. So was looking for a way to burn it. And a lot of people are mining crypto. And I used to mine crypto a long time ago, back when you could mine Ethereum. It made sense to get back into it again. So I started to search different companies that I can work with that have good support, have good products available, and wanted to team up with one that many of you have probably heard of if you're at all into the crypto space or you've done any sort of research. So this is Altair Technology. They are based in the US. That's important because if you need to have any sort of support, it's there. Plus, they're shipping from the US. So you don't have to have all of those additional extra fees. On top of that, you can also pay by other means of payment besides just crypto, which is nice because if you're just getting into the space, you probably don't have any coins available. So you can pay by wire transfer, credit cards, what have you. I think there's fees for some of that, but definitely other ways to pay. So reached out to them. Long story short, they were able to hook me up with this Canon Avalon Q to do a review of, and we will be doing that in a future video. And then I also have this Antminer S19K Pro. They have a wide variety of different mining products and supplies. So pretty much anything that you need, they have it from a mining standpoint. So, what are my plans and what recommendations do I have for you? So, my plans are basically this. I've actually started mining already. I've got a couple of really old used Jazz miner that are running, and they're mining Ethereum Classic just because I'm very familiar with that from mining before. And they're making a little bit of money each day and using the excess solar from the shop. Now, the home system is a completely different setup, and that's what's behind me is the home setup. That has a lot more panels, and I have a lot more access, and that's what I'm focusing on. So this S19K Pro is going to sit in the shop area of the shop, not this chill area, the battery room. So it's going to be in the shop. That has a AC Affinity 14-inch exhaust fan already in there. The whole shop is temperature controlled. If it gets too hot, the fan just starts ramping up to get rid of that excess heat. So it is perfectly set up for mining. So this is going to sit in there. Now, it is rather loud. So I already 3D printed ahead of time silencers. I've got a AC Infinity fan coming in, which will mount right up to the silencers and the S19K Pro, and that will make it nice and quiet. And I also have the circuitry to bypass, so it still thinks fans are on it. So that's going to be sitting there. That's going to be drawing a lot of power. It's going to be connected probably to my primary inverter smart load. And I'll have a sub panel connected to it, and this will have a 30 amp breaker in front of it. And essentially, what it's going to do is once the batteries get to 100%, it's going to kick on. And then once it gets down to, say, 60%, it's going to kick off. So it's going to be completely automated. And then the Avalon Q is going to be sitting in the house, which will be really cool because that's going to give me some additional heat. Now, this is Whisper Quiet, and we'll do a review of all of these separately, but it's going to be Whisper Quiet. It's going to be in the house. Heck, I'll probably use it even during the summertime in eco mode just to mine a little bit of Bitcoin. But both of these mine Bitcoin, and they both do it quite well. This one is slightly more efficient. So we'll get into all of that later on. But I just wanted to introduce as far as what I'm doing and recommendations for yourself. Go to winsolarforum.com. I've already started posting different things in there. There's a lot of folks that are very knowledgeable in mining crypto. So definitely reach out to the forum and check out the posts that we have so far. And then also start looking into what you want. Is it just a small amount of power that you have to burn to where An Avalon Q would be fine. Or do you have a ton of power? Then maybe an Antminer is the way to go. In any event, we'll get into this in later videos, but just wanted to introduce you to what I'm doing and then also introduce Altair technology. Thanks again for watching Mike Solar Garage.